Ever find yourself with a wad of cash that just sits around collecting dust? Maybe you got a birthday gift or some lucky money in a red envelope. It's great to have, but wouldn't it be handy to get that cash into your everyday spending account? Well, if you're looking for a way to ditch the ATM and ditch the hassle, then Lunar might be the answer you've been waiting for. Lunar is a mobile app that lets you manage your finances directly from your phone. It's like having a full-fledged bank in your pocket, minus the long lines and hefty fees. So, can you deposit cash with Lunar? This is where things get interesting. Unlike traditional banks, Lunar doesn't have physical branches. So, depositing cash directly into your Lunar account isn't quite as straightforward as walking into a bank teller. Alternatives to cash deposits. But fear not, cash lovers. Here are some clever ways to get that physical money into your digital Lunar world. Mobile check deposit. Lunar allows you to deposit checks directly through their app. Simply snap a clear picture of the front and back of your endorsed check, and voila! The funds will be reflected in your account within a few business days. ACH transfer. If you have a traditional bank account, you can easily transfer money from your bank to Lunar through an ACH transfer. This is a free and secure way to move your cash electronically. P2P transfers. Got a friend or family member with a Lunar account? Use their handy peer-to-peer transfer feature to send money directly between accounts. Think of it as a digital version of handing them a 20. The benefits of going cashless with Lunar. Now, you might be wondering why go through all this trouble when you can just stick with cash. Well, with Lunar, there are some pretty amazing perks to consider. Here are just a few. Convenience. Manage your finances anytime, anywhere with the Lunar app. No more waiting in line or scrambling to find an ATM. Security. Ditch the worry of losing your cash. Lunar uses advanced security measures to keep your money safe. Budgeting tools. Track your spending, set financial goals, and stay on top of your finances with Lunar's built-in budgeting tools. Lunar, not just about cashless. While depositing cash might not be as immediate with Lunar, the app offers a whole range of features that make managing your finances a breeze. From bill pay to sending and receiving money, Lunar is a one-stop shop for all things financial. So, while Lunar might not be the best fit for those who rely heavily on cash, it offers a convenient and secure alternative for managing your finances in today's digital age. Call to action. If you're curious to learn more about Lunar and see if it's right for you, head over to their website or download the app and explore what they have to offer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending.